Here we come to the main elevator at the Underwood Law Library at Southern Methodist University in Dallas, Texas. This is an old vintage Otis, just like the entrance elevator. I'm gonna take a picture of that. And also, don't forget the fire service included. Alright, let's see what happens when I push both buttons just for the fun of it. Oh, it only... Oh, the up is burned out. Only the down works. Alright, here it is. Oh, it just overshot the floor. I literally just saw it on camera. I don't know if the camera picked up or not. But look at this elevator. It's a lot bigger than the entrance elevator that I just filmed. Alright, just got on the beat. Oh yeah, I pushed up. B's locked. Let's go to 4. We gotta hear this motor. I think this is top-driven traction. This elevator is an absolute pure joy. Take this for another ride. This is a nice cab. I'm so glad I'm finally getting an update to take after all these years of waiting. Slams really loudly. It's your Otis sign. Is the camera will focus. They moved the capacity plate above the Otis sign. You see the holes right there? That's where the original capacity plate used to be. I'll go for one more ride. This elevator is an absolute joy. Oh my gosh, look at that. Did you see that? It just literally overshot the floor. I'm gonna stop at 3 and I'll come back up and I'll watch that one more time. That is just something. It just literally overshot the floor. It didn't do it on this floor. We'll try it on the 4th floor one more time. And we'll go back down to where I started. Man, this door's loud. Watch this. Oh, it didn't do it that time. I literally just did it. It literally just did it a while ago. Okay, we'll go back down to it and then. Man, that door slams. Just one last cab view of this beauty. I'm so glad I finally get an updated take on this. Alright. We're gonna watch it close. There it goes, and that's it.